Hey, what is up, you guys? It's your boy Jason and welcome back to MyGlamm. Today we're going to talk about MyGlamm's Perfect Curves lipsticks. These lipsticks come in 11 different shades, and all of these shades are curated for Indian skin tones, so no matter what skin tone you are, you're gonna look great. MyGlamm's Perfect Curves is an expertly curated collection of super hydrating creamy matte lipsticks. These lipsticks are super pigmented, so you get the perfect pout that you desire for, and they last all day, and you can shape and enhance your lips and your cupid's bow the way you want to. And if you think this is the end, it is not, because they all are enriched with natural oils to condition for your lips so your pout is always on the go. MyGlamm's Perfect Curves lipsticks are available in 11 different shades. They are matte in finish, they are long wearing, light-weighted, and buildable in coverage. Slim bullet design that allows the application to be super easy for your pout. These products are free from parabens, preservatives, T5, nano ingredients, and they are not tested on animals, so they're completely cruelty-free. Perfect Curves lipsticks are enriched with tropical plant and argan oil to moisturize, nourish, and condition your lips. So go now and get your Perfect Curves lipsticks from www.myglamm.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos.